Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I did a little shopping at Ulta. I got a lot of new products and I wanted to try them out with you guys. And here's the look, so let's get into it. So first I'm going to start off with the Milani Conceal&Perfect concealer. I've used this before, so I already love it. And I'm in the shade Pure Beige. If you need a new concealer, definitely check them out because it's really good. And I just put these in my T-zone area. And I also got the Milani Conceal&Perfect Under Eye Brightener, which is also really good. I'm in the shade Melon. These are also all new products from them. And this one is the contour. So I basically got the conceal, highlight, and contour one. Really good. Love the application. It blends out really well. The color range is also very good. So that's a plus. And this is in the shade Toffee. Okay, so I decided to try out a new blush, and yeah, I kind of regret it. This is the Maybelline Cheeky Blush. Now, the color is pretty, but maybe it needed to warm up on my skin because, yeah, you will see once I go to blend it out. But anyways, so I'm just going in to blend out the contour on my nose. Again, these products blend out so good. So along with some new products that I got, I also got some new brushes from Scratchedbykat. If y'all don't know her, she's really big on Facebook. She goes live a whole lot. And she has her own brand of brushes now and other makeup products that you will see throughout this video. And you can use my code Makeupbykeaira to check out to get you some money off. And this is her powder brush, but I decided to use it to blend out my concealer, and it works very, very well. And I'm just going in with a Real Technique setting brush. I know I always use this brush to blend out my concealer. And you see how easily that concealer is blending out. So good. Okay, and next I'm just going in with I'm pretty sure this is her angled contour brush. I'm not sure. I don't have it next to me, but I'm pretty sure this is what it is. And I love this brush. It's like the right amount of size, especially for my big forehead. Okay, so this blush, when I was blending it out, it honestly just crumbled on my face. And it's just falling off. I don't know what it was because I saw somebody else use it and it blended out just fine. So I don't know. I just don't know. Eventually, I had to go in and put another blush, put my Makeup Revolution blush on that I usually wear, and everything was fine. But I'm going to try it again. So, to the foundation, I finally got the L'Oreal Tinted Serum, and this is the True Match Tinted Serum. I'm in the shade Classic Tan. This used to be like my go-to foundation when I first started, the original True Match. It's so good, and the Tinted Serum is even better. So I love this, and I only put it on half my face. So I want to try it over my whole face, but still really, really good. And I'm just using her Scratchedbykat foundation brush, which I love, by the way. Okay, so I am using the Powder Puff from Amazon. Yeah. So I think in my last tutorial, I told you guys that I was using the Beauty Blender one, but I like the one from Amazon better. It is so good. So you get full coverage, but less product. Love it. And going in with the Beige Cosmetics Tan and Tulul contour bronzer and highlight palette. If you need a palette with every type of shade there is, and highlighters, definitely get this. It's affordable. The colors blend out well. The colors are pigmented. The highlighters are really good. I feel like it's perfect for clients if you needed something like that. And I've also tried a new powder, but this is a pressed foundation powder from L'Oreal. I think it's their Age Perfect or something like that. I also got the shade Classic Tan to match my foundation. And I like it so far, but I definitely want to try it by itself. Next, I'm going in with a highlighter from Scratchedbykat. This is in the shade Cleopatra. Her highlighters are really good. You can make them very subtle or, all in your face if you want to. And I'm also going in with her blush palette called Feline. So what I did was just mix the two oranges together, and I got this pretty shade. I never think I like orange blush, but that one was really cute. And these are all the face products that I got, and it turned out so bomb. So I'm going in with a Colourpop palette. So I've never used any Colourpop palettes ever, and I mean ever, don't know why. Just didn't know which one I wanted, so I decided to get this one called Feline Bubbly, and I am very impressed. So Colourpop might have gained themselves a fan. So for this look, I decided to do a halo since I haven't done one in a long time. I've been doing so many, well, what I call like a fake cut crease method, a half cut crease or whatever. And so I decided to do a halo. I'm very happy with it. Came out so cute. So the only thing I did was, well, yeah, I saw what I did. I put one shadow at the outer corner, one at the inner corner, took another shadow, like basically a transition color, just to blend out the two. And then I just went in with the NYX Glitter Glue. So I'm going to put a pigment in the middle. And I was not expecting that pigment to be so, like, I was shocked, okay? Like, it didn't take much effort. I put 2 coats down. Turned out so pretty. So I'm just going in to blend out the edges with a lighter shade. You don't have to do that part. It's just something I like to do. And then I'm going to go in to darken up the inner and outer corner just a little bit more. And that's basically your halo eye. Like, this is like the quickest look you can do. And this technique works on all eye shapes. That's the part that I really love. So, of course, I'm going in with a green eyeliner. This one is from NYX. My favorite one is in the shade Blackest Olive. Yeah. And just adding the inner corner highlight. So, for lashes, I did pick up some of the lashes. These are from Kiss. These are their Luxe Extension lashes or something like that. I'm not really sure of the name. But it's in the shade, this is in the style Velvet. These are so cute. And I got 3 of them. I already knew I was going to like it before I even bought it, just by looking at it online. Love them. Okay. And I'm just going in with a new lip, as always. My same products, NYX Lip Liner, Morphe Lipstick, and Maybelline Lip Gloss in the shade Pearl. Yeah. But this is the finished look, and if you liked it, and have you tried any of these products, let me know how you like them. But this is the finished look, and don't forget to give me a comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in my next video.